Hey crypto enthusiasts, if you've been navigating the wild world of crypto like I have, you know how tricky it can be to find a platform that's not only reliable, but actually makes trading easier, not harder. I've tested countless platforms. Some looked great on the surface, but ended up clunky or too technical. Others were just straight up hype. But recently I came across something that genuinely impressed me. It's called Arbivex. Now, this isn't just another trading app. Arbivex is a fully AI-powered, automated crypto trading platform created specifically for Canadian users. And it's doing something that most platforms don't even attempt. It makes crypto investing simple, smart, and stress-free, even if you've never traded before. And here's the best part. I've got an exclusive invite link, and if you use it to sign up, you'll unlock a special welcome bonus that's not available through the public site. This is a private limited time bonus, and the only way to access it is by clicking the link in the description below. So you're even slightly curious, pause for a second, scroll down, and tap that link. It's worth it. Now let me explain why Arbivex really stands out. First off, it's completely hands-off. The AI does all the work, scanning global markets 24/7, finding real-time trading opportunities, and executing trades automatically on your behalf. No watching charts, no guessing the right time to buy or sell, and definitely no need for technical knowledge. The results? Users are reporting daily profits ranging from $100 to $500, and in some cases, monthly returns up to 70%. Of course, results vary with the market, but what's consistent is that you don't need to lift a finger once it's set up. It's passive income made simple and smarter, with AI doing the thinking for you. But profits aren't the only thing that matter. Arbivex takes security and compliance seriously. The platform follows Canadian financial regulations to the letter. We're talking FINTRAC CRA, full KYC and AML checks. Your personal data and funds are protected with military-grade encryption, so you can focus on growing your portfolio, not worrying about your security. Getting started is super easy too. Arbivex integrates directly with major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. You just connect your wallet, activate the AI bot, and let it do its thing. And if you ever need help, there's a local, Canada-based support team available 24/7, real people who understand your needs. Now, let me circle back to that invite link, because that's how you get in with a head start. When you register through the link in the description, you get immediate access to the platform's full features, plus the exclusive welcome bonus, which gives your account an early boost. That's real value, not just access, but momentum from the start. What's really cool about Arbivex is that it doesn't just trade based on simple indicators. The AI uses advanced machine learning algorithms that actually adapt to changing market conditions. So it's not just reacting to trends, it's anticipating them. That gives you a serious edge, especially in volatile markets where timing is everything. And since it's constantly learning, the bot keeps improving over time. It literally gets smarter the longer you use it. Another thing worth mentioning is the risk management system. Arbivex gives users full control over their trading parameters. You can set stop losses, adjust your risk tolerance, and even choose which trading pairs the AI should focus on. This level of customization means that even though the platform is fully automated, you still have the flexibility to shape it around your personal investment goals. And again, all of this is available right after you register using the link in the description. Lastly, Arbivex isn't some anonymous offshore project. It's a Canadian-based platform developed by a team that understands our market, our regulations, and our concerns. They're transparent, fully registered, and even offer live onboarding sessions for new users. That kind of support and transparency is rare in the crypto space, and it's one more reason why signing up through the exclusive link isn't just a bonus, it's a smarter and safer entry point into automated crypto trading. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines waiting for the right moment to get into crypto, or just tired of platforms that promise more than they deliver, this is your moment. Arbivex combines cutting-edge AI, strong Canadian regulation, and ease of use that actually delivers results. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description, sign up, claim your exclusive welcome bonus, and start your journey with Arbivex, the smarter way to trade crypto in Canada.